Heat and ergonomics. Expect heat, especially around the engine/radiators, particularly in slow traffic. Also, the riding posture is aggressive, forward-leaning, high pegs, clip-on handlebars, which is fine for spirited riding but tiring on long highway rides or in city congestion. Electronics and usability. The electronic suite is large and helpful. Ride modes, rain, road, dynamic, race/pro modes, traction control, slide control, launch control, quick shifter, pit lane limiter, etc. Makes the bike more controllable in many conditions. The TFT dash give good info. Optional accessories, heat grips, cruise control, and performance parts add comfort and customization. Pros and cons. Here are the major strengths and trade-offs. Pros. 1. Outstanding performance. Top-class power, acceleration, top speed. Feels very fast and capable. 2. Excellent aerodynamics, new winglets, better airflow, improved stability at high speed. 3. Advanced electronics, a rich suite of systems that help make the bike usable and safer even when riding hard. 4. Premium built-in components, quality in materials, suspension, brakes, parts options, in-package, etc. 5. Track ready. Even though it's street legal, many features are aimed at track use, making it very competent there. Cons. 1. Comfort compromise, aggressive posture, seat height, stiffness makes long riding or city traffic tiring. 2. Cost. High purchase price, high maintenance, expensive parts, tires, etc. Premium options really add up. 3. Fuel and running costs. Fuel consumption will suffer under aggressive riding. Servicing and insurance costs are high. 4. Handling low speed/traffic. Heavy when maneuvering, throttle very sensitive. Heat is noticeable. 5. Accessibility. For shorter riders, seat height and weight are challenging. Also, in markets where BMW service/spares are less common, ownership may be more difficult/expensive. Dimensions and ergonomics. Spec detail. Seat height 705 millimeters is approximately equal to 27.8 in. Reasonably low, helps riders with shorter inseam reach the ground. Ground clearance 130 millimeters. Wheelbase 1,575 millimeters. Overall dimensions, L times W times H, is almost equal to 2,310 times 850 to 880 times 1,100 millimeters. Length times width times height. Curb/curb weight 229 kilograms. With all fluids, fuel, ready to ride. Fuel tank capacity 14.0 liters. Features. ERGO-FIT system. The bike allows customization of seat, handlebars, foot pegs to adjust rider reach and comfort. 18 possible configurations. Economical riding indicator. On the instrument cluster, helps riders to keep usage fuel efficient. ABS. Available in many markets. Improves braking safety under less than ideal grip. Sport bike style wheels and tires to provide better handling, grip. Adjustable rear suspension preload, 7 positions. Enables you to set firm/soft, depending on load equals solo riding versus 2-up or luggage, etc. Digital/analog hybrid instrument cluster. Fuel gauge, speedometer, tachometer, dual trip meters, clock, etc. Riding experience. Because of its moderate weight, 229 kg, low seat height, and cruiser geometry, it offers a comfortable ride in relaxed mode. It's not as nimble as a pure sport bike, but much more responsive than large heavy cruisers. The mid-range torque makes overtaking, highway merging easier, without needing to rev close to redline. Handling benefits from the 41mm front fork and sport influence tires. Fairly stable, but corners will be limited by cruiser posture. Comfortable for shorter riders due to low seat and adjustable foot pegs/controls. But for very tall riders, the forward reach or relaxed forward posture may feel constrained. Fuel efficiency and emissions. Fuel consumption is fairly reasonable for its size. In many markets, about 4.4-4.5 L/100 km under mixed conditions. CO2 emissions are 104 g/km in standard tune. At 229 kilograms, it's not light in absolute terms. Traffic, slow chase, balancing at low speeds still require effort. Fuel economy drops if ridden hard. Sportier use or heavy load, passenger, luggage will make noticeable difference. Less wind protection unless you add a windshield. At highway speeds, wind buffeting can be tiring. For long road trips, stock seat may get uncomfortable. Aftermarket seats are commonly upgraded. Suspension travel is moderate, especially rear, 80 mm. On very rough roads, bumps will transmit more into the body. Suitability and use cases. When considering whether it's right for you. Very good for commuting plus occasional highway or weekend ride mix. Suitable for less experienced riders who want a comfortable cruiser with manageable power, but still capable. Good for city riding due to low seat, agility, but large turning radius and weight still a factor. If you want to do long journeys or carry passenger and cargo frequently, you may want to enhance comfort, seat, possibly wind protection, and consider weight and fuel range.